In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set global form colors and fonts in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot dashboard, and then from in there, click on to the option for your global forms. Let's head over here into our marketing and click on forms right here. Choose right here the form that you want to edit. I'll head over and edit right here this one. Once you're in there, access the form styles. This is that paintbrush icon. It's also called styling, so make sure to click on this. After that, you can set right here your global style colors. You can see right here the fonts. You can reset those styles and just click onto this right here in order to change the colors that will be added. I'll choose right here the error color as well as the placeholder color. Let's make it green right there, and do take note that you need to upgrade your actual presentation right here or your actual plan right there. So changing the actual form's color is only available under the starter plan, and you can just buy it right there for around $9 per month per seat. So once you do, you can change the colors as well as the labels, fonts, and the likes. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.